Entry number 39, San Juan National High School, Handong Limanan, Camarines Sur, Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Colonel Jason Laguna, Corps Commander, Cadet Major Elin Amado, Corps S1, Cadet Major Charles Andro Ferreras, Corps S2, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Chris Gerald Naval, Corps S3, Cadet Major John Ford Royales, Corps S4, Cadet Major Jonalyn Jacob, Corps S5, Major's Leader, Cadet Captain Rim Cielo May Paro, Band Leader, Cadet Captain Nicole J. Abaiza, Company Commander, Cadet Captain Kent Azur, Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant Lorby Painita, First Platoon Leader Boys, Cadet First Lieutenant J. R. Manalo, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Cadet First Lieutenant Princess Jane B. Aurius, CAT Facilitator, Rick Jason R. Abril, Band Coordinator, Jericho A. Garcia, Ramon D. Calius II, Major Trainer, Clarice Mines Abasola, Abby France R. Nadal, Maria Joy Salvi G. David, and JJ Bordeos, Band Master, Eugene Arjete and Ray Buena, Color Guard Instructor, Ronald Brian Corpus, Drumline Instructor, Moymoy M. Peredo III, CAT Trainer Jericho Mansilla, Rolian Abanto, and Jerome Naval. Entry number 39, San Juan National High School, Handong, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 39, San Juan National High School, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 40, Bicol High School for the Arts and Culture, San Jose, Pili,